Hello everyone, my name is Angel Hernandez from 8A, and today I go to talk about my hero, Johan Cruyff. Johan Cruyff, full name is Hendrik Johan Cruyff. He was Dutch from the Netherlands. He was born in 1947 and he died in 2016. He was famous because he didn't just play soccer, he transformed the way soccer is played. He played for Ajax and Barcelona, and he won three Ballon d'Or awards. One of his biggest contributions was helping create a state called Total Soccer. Later, he became a coach and was also very successful. His life was not easy. His father died when he was very young. As a coach, many people criticized him. Staying at the top was not easy, but he never gave up. For me, Johan Cruyff is special because he shows that soccer is not only about running fast, but also about thinking. I learned that talent is important, but intelligence, discipline, and hard work are even more important. Daily life lesson he teaches my is to believe in yourself even in other. That you that is why Johan Cruyff is my hero. Thank you very much